Hi, welcome to our video tutorial. This is a continuation of our operators video. So in the previous video we have already seen arithmetic and comparison operators. In this video we'll see logical and assignment operators. So let's see them by example. Let's create a file, new HTML file. So this one is logical and assignment operators.html. There we go. Now what are we going to do is first we'll see logical operators. Logical operators means and comparison and or comparison. So we'll have two comparisons, but they are combined in AND comparison, or in AND join, or in OR join. So we'll see how to implement that. And the other one is assignment operators. Assignment operator means assigning a value from one variable to another. But when we assign a value, are we going to assign the exact value of that variable, or are we going to add something to it, or subtract from it, or multiply from it? So we'll see how to implement that too. First, let's create our script tag. Okay, so our function apply operators. Okay, so let's have two values, x and y. I declared those two variables like with the name x and y just to show you that we don't have to use the same variable names every time. It's not a good idea to define to give our variables x and y, but still we can do that. Why it's not a good idea is x means it doesn't make any sense. I created a variable named x. What does it mean? What's the value x? What type of value am I going to store in value x? If I created a variable and call it age and put something to it, then this will tell me that the variable age contains a value age. Or if it's a name, then it contains a variable, a valued name. But x doesn't make sense, x and value. I did it so that you will have an understanding that we can give any name to our variable names. Okay, so we have two variables. Now, what do we mean by logical operators? Okay, so let's have an alert, which means now what I'm going to do is x, let's say, less than y. Now, this one is just a simple comparison, right? Now, let's have a button to apply that. On click, call this function apply operators. This is the text. Now, let's open our file. Okay, when I click apply operators, it returns false, which means x less than y is false because x is actually greater than y. Now this is one comparison. How are we going to apply logical operators in this scenario? Okay, so what we can do is and x is greater than, let's say, greater than 15. Now I'm trying to compare or I'm trying to do two comparisons. One is this one and the other is this one. So how am I going to combine those two operation or comparisons. And here we have two logical operators. I can combine them with AND, or I can combine them with OR. Okay, so let's see both of them right now. So OR will be represented like this. So alert x less than y, x less than y is false, x greater than 15 is true, right? So false and true, what will it return? And also x or false or true, what is going to return? Let's see. Now let's refresh our file, click on apply operators. The first one is false because false and true is false, but the second one has to return true because false and true has to be true logically, right? So it returns true. This is how to apply logical operators. Now let's jump to assignment operators. In assignment operators, there are about 5 operators. Let's see them one by one. The first one is, I created a simple variable called z and equal to x. Now what this line does is it assigns the value of x into the value of y. Okay, so it's just a simple value assignment operator, single equal to. Okay, when I put this equal sign twice, I mean if we make it double, then it's a comparison operator. It's not an assignment operator, but a single equal to sign is assignment operator, which means assign the value of x into z. Simple assignment. So now let's see, let's alert the value of z. Now let's see another assignment operator, plus equals 2. Now alert z. What do we expect from this? The first alert will give me the value of x, which is 20, but the second assignment has something to do with addition to, which means, let's write it as a comment, so it's not going to be executed, but for description purpose, x plus equal to 2 means z equal to z plus 2. Okay, which means add 2 into the value of z and then assign it to z itself. Okay, so we can implement this scenario for 4 of our arithmetic operators. We can subtract, we can multiply, we can divide. Okay, let's see. Now let's open our file again. Apply operators, false, true. Now 20 means the first z, just a simple assignment. After increment, the value of z has to be 22, right? Now it minimizes to 20, it multiplies by 2, so it's going to be 40, and right now after 40 it's going to be 20 again. Let's see. 22, 20 again, 40, and now it has to be 20 again. So this is how we can apply our assignment operators. So with this we'll conclude our logical and assignment operators, and as a whole our assignment operator, our operators tutorial. We have seen 4 type of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. So I hope you have a clear idea on how to use those kind of operators in your JavaScript code. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it's clear, but if you have any comments, questions, and even constructive comments, we'd like to hear that. So please write your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our video channel, YouTube video channel, for to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much again.